Hi, this dance is called Así es la vida, choreographed by Herman Baso from Indonesia. There are 32 count, 4 waltz, improver level line dance. There is no tag, no restart. Okay, without wasting any more time, let's start with the section 1. Section 1, basic bachata to the right, side together, side close touch with hip bump, and then step forward, recover, step back, hook. Section 2, quarter turn to the right, jazz box, cross, back, side, forward, and then side, cross behind, side, side touch. Section 3, make a rolling vine to the left with brush, and then right to strut, and then half turn to the left, left to strut. And then section 4, step forward, close touch, step back, close touch, and make a pedal turn quarter twice. Pedal turn, pedal turn. Okay, now let me repeat with the count. Section 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, that's all the tutorial. I hope you like the music. I hope you enjoy the choreo, and I look forward to see your demo version. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Bye.